Okay, take a deep breath and let's get started. First, you go to equity, click trading, start trading, or click sign in if you already have an account. As simple as that. You just need to follow the green arrows. Following the green arrows, you need to put your email and your password that you created for equity. Then of course, click continue. Okay, now we're in and we're gonna need to focus a little bit. You see those numbers still following the green arrows? This is your account number. If you don't have an account number from a live account, you need to follow the purple arrow. Okay? So you create like a live account to get those numbers. Once you have the numbers, you copy these numbers. Okay? So you're gonna need these numbers to actually link your account to a Metatrader platform. Open your Metatrader platform. I assume you already downloaded it. And then you click on file. Just follow the green arrow right here. You see it? Okay. Then you need to click on login to trade account. Still follow the green arrows. When the window opens up, you need to enter the live account number in the login part. Okay? The password is the same password as your portal, like the equity portal. Then the server is Equity Brokerage SC Live. You need to select live and not demo. Once you did everything correctly, you'll be ready to trade. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like and a low comment, and enjoy the ride.